Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got the third in a series of varieties that I got from a fella named the Fat Hipster. Thank you so much, man. This is Rap Snacks Icon Ramen Noodles Creamy Chicken Gumbo. Now, these are from the guy who created Rap Snacks, a guy named Master P. And this is the one that features Master P on the lid. There he is, doing his Master P thing. So, I don't know if that is like a G thing, but it sounds like it's more of a P thing. So, I don't know. But anyways, the letter, not that. Okay, so I'm going to do up some of this stuff. The other two, I won't say, how do I put this nicely? I won't say they're my favorite, but I won't say they're like horrible. I mean, they're Econo instant noodles, and they're kitschy. They got the whole thing going on with the labeling. It's like people who like rap and like instant noodles, you're set. You know? It's like, hey, I like that guy. Well, look, you can get potato chips with this guy and ramen with this guy. So, there you go. Oh, what's going on in my life? Went and started working on getting stuff done for my mom's memorial. Went and got, well, I designed a card, and then we went to I thought we went to Staples. We actually went to Office Depot. So I drop it off. They said, oh, we should have it done by the end of the day. We'll call you. So we go and do some shopping. I go get some veggies and do some stuff. And then it's like, we're like, okay, they still haven't called. So I call up Staples. And they're like, I'm sorry, we don't have any order like that. We don't know what you're talking about. I'm like, I was just in there. And then it's just like, Kit's next to me and she's like, actually, we went to Office Depot. I'm like, oh. I'm like, oh well, thanks anyways, bye. Just like confusing the hell out of these poor people who are working in the office. And the number I called was the print shop. She's like, maybe I was on my break when you called. Let me look around. I'll talk to some of the other people working here. We just don't have anything about it. And blah, blah, blah. I'm really sorry. And, oh man, I don't know what's going on. I'm like, oh god. And then I called the place. I call Office Max. Guess what? Oh, it looks like everything's all done and ready to go. Where's my phone call? I didn't get a phone call. This is the one thing you should know, and I knew this going in. If they say they're going to give you a call, you're going to need to give them a call. Because nobody will give you a call. It's like, yeah, we'll let you know when those are done. Or if you ask a place, can you call me when this is all dealt with? Oh, sure, we can call you. I wouldn't say that most places are like, aren't being honest when they're saying that they can call you. But will they call you? No, most likely not. Most likely with stuff, it seems like these days, you have to kind of like babysit a lot. It's like, what do you do? I do this. Okay, what do I have to do? Oh, nothing. Yeah, I do. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, Mr. P. Master P. I wish I knew more about this guy other than the grunting noise. Probably, I mean, I've heard so much about them, you know. I was actually, this is a true thing. I was walking down the street this last, was it weekend? Sometime last week. And I was listening to that Notorious B.I.G. album, Ready to Die. I was thinking like, yeah, walking by all these fools, like, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then I realized I'm wearing a Pokemon Go Fest shirt. I'm like, no, no, no. There go cheesy white guy wearing the... He's in his 40s and he's wearing a damn Pokemon shirt. What a loser. But yeah. Yeah. Get a grip. Yeah, I really like if there was just a whole thing. Who do you like better, Tupac Shakur or Notorious B.I.G.? I'm like, I will be honest. I'm from the West Coast, but I've always liked East Coast rap so much better. Wu-Tang, Notorious B.I.G., J. Rue the Damager. Yeah, there's a lot of good East Coast stuff. I do like West Coast rap though. I always like Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. Obviously, there's way more. I mean, you want to eclipse that, go with like Ice Cube and Eazy-E. That's where it's at. But what about the Midwest, yo? It'd be like going like that and then doing it upside down. Midwest. I'm sure somebody already does that. Kind of silly. Well, let's try the fruit of Master P's labor. The Icon. Here, let's get the label in front. It's the classy establishment. Can you see it? Can't really see it, but you know. The Master P Icon Ramen Noodles Creamy Chicken Gumbo. Oh, looking so creamy, brother. It tastes good. I'm gonna say one thing right off the bat. I'm sure I'm not the only one who said it. If you get this stuff, and you're not like an instant noodle reviewer, if you get this stuff, take about half to 3/4 of an inch on that fill line. Fill the water up to there. You want it nice and strong. That'll do you. Fill lines are a pain in the butt, I swear, because sometimes it's like perfect, but more often than not, no, not perfect. And this is a not perfect, for sure. So it's chicken gumbo. What can I? And this is a problem with it too. Look at all the sludge. I stirred this for a reasonable amount of time. That's all seasoning, I think. I don't know. Let's try it this way. Are those carrots? They're carrots. Is there carrot in gumbo? I thought that was like andouille sausage and I don't know. For what it is, it's all right. For what it could be, it's horrible. Let me just put it that way. It could be so good. I would think, dude, all you guys, your names are what make you who you are. You know, people know you by your name, and you put your name on something like this. It's just not as. It's just kind of a bummer. I would love to see like an oil sachet in this, like the spicy one. The Boosie did the spicy one, or he did the prime rib. Boosie, Master P, and I can't remember the other guy. But yeah, like for the spicy one, just make it frickin' burn, you know? I mean, it just seems like you could do a little better. But if you're looking just for like a standard cup noodle, like the Econo, buy a flat of 12 of them for like $4. This is, I'd say I like this better actually, but I like the premium. I do. It has a little ways to go to get there. Shouldn't be too hard to do it. But then again, your price point's going to go through the roof. But I don't care. Your price point's going to go through the roof. All right, let's rotate out. You know, it's been too long. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, I haven't had any of this for like weeks. Just had the tiniest taste of it. Oh my God. Laogan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. Buy that by the truckload. Wow. All right. Well, there's been Odds the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.